So we've got this motorhome in today. This customer crashed this vehicle yesterday. We've been ringing around different body shops and kept getting told that we don't work on motorhomes. So they got put in contact with us through one of our friends, and we said we can do it. Obviously it's just another vehicle, but as you can see it's just the front of the motorhome, so it's none of the sleeping bit. So obviously we don't generally get involved with the back end, but we do know a company that does do that. So if you've got a motorhome and you've damaged the back, still give us a ring, because we can put you on to one of our friends. But if it's the front, give us a call, and like, if you come direct to us like this customer has, we can contribute to your excess, process the claim and deal with everything for you. So give us a call at Elite Motor Solutions.